This is a real customer. This is their app yesterday. So you can see at this point in time it was 13 cents a kilowatt hour in the grid, 38% renewables. At the bottom there you can see the forecast. So you can see in the middle of the day, sun's coming out, percentage of renewables is going up, sort of 57%. That price is dropping a little bit to 12 cents. Some days it's much cheaper than this. In fact, some days we actually pay customers to charge their EVs because there's a surplus of renewables in the grid. And then in the evening, the sun sets, the percentage of renewable drops down to, in this case, 4 or 5%, and that price is going up to 52 cents a kilowatt hour. And then we give customers the technology to automate their batteries and EVs within their own constraints and preferences to unlock the value for them. So you can see this customer is currently saving their solar. The total cost for today is 15 cents, but by the end of the day, that will be negative because they'll be discharging into the grid and making money out of their EV. And then this is how it works. So the yellow here is our solar forecast, the blue is our usage forecast, and the pink is our price forecast. You can see this customer, we've learnt they've got a tree that shades their house until about 10 a.m. in the morning, then the solar starts to jump up when they typically get home from work. So this customer obviously often gets home at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. You see the usage spiking there. And then the green line here is our plan for the customer's battery. So we're charging up that customer's battery while there's cheap renewables in the grid. We're holding that state of charge full, waiting for that evening spike, and then we're discharging that customer's battery into the grid during that evening spike, so they're making money out of their battery. And the big difference between this and a typical VPP model is this is a tool to help customers unlock the value out of their own batteries. And the funny thing is you spend millions of dollars building these automation products and machine learning products to make it simple for customers so they don't have to think about it. And the most commonly requested feature is this button at the bottom of here that says, control my battery. And I think it says a lot about the psyche here. And customers can click on that and manually charge or discharge their battery. And the behavior that we see is customers sign up to Amber, they see their first price spike, they press discharge now, they see the money flowing into their app in real time, they get pretty excited about that. And they do that for a few days and they realize that actually the algorithm is probably smarter than they are. And they don't have to sit there all day charging and discharging the battery. But what it does is it builds this sense of trust and confidence in the algorithm. This algorithm is working for them, it's empowering them to unlock the value for themselves. And the net result of all of that is that many of our customers actually have negative bills. This customer is $1,700 in credit, and we are writing them a check for $200 or hundreds of dollars every month. We're helping customers unlock this value. We're celebrating when our customers are getting the lowest possible bill and using the most renewables.